You guys might have seen how Chinese New Year is celebrated in the big cities, Shanghai, Beijing, Guangzhou. But how about the autonomous regions? Well, here I am in Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. There are many ethnic minorities here. You have the Uyghurs, the Kazakhs, the Mongolians, the Tajiks. So it'd be interesting to see, how do they celebrate it? And well, look who I have here. I have my friend Muradil. Hello.
Yeah, hi, Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year. It's the year of the horse. So this is my friend Uyghur, right?
Yeah, Uyghur.
Wondering, what does the Chinese New Year mean to you then? Is it an important festival?
Yeah, of course. It is the most important festival in China, and as a tradition, we need to celebrate this New Year with all of our family together and eat dinner, lunch together.
So we're here at some event, right? So we're going to have a look around.
Yeah.
What they've got. But this particular event is on the top of this hill. It's a little bit tiring to get here, but wow, it is absolutely worth it. Look at the views. There is like the mountain range over there, Tian Shan, and then you have all of these skyscrapers. So it's a very developed city, actually, Urumqi. You can see it is absolutely freezing here in Xinjiang. It's like minus, I don't know, what is it, minus 15, minus...
Yeah,
or something like that.
15, yeah.
Wow, so I am actually freezing, so I'm going to get some hot drink. It's so cold that we have lots of winter sports and things here. You've got people ice skating in the background here. You can go on all of these carts. And just over here, you can go on these donut rings, sliding down this. Oh, man. And as this is about to start, you can see how many people have already come to this event. Oh, my gosh. How many people do we reckon are here? Hundreds? Thousands?
Maybe more than 1,000.
And you can see how traditional this place is, so it's really perfect for coming here for the Chinese New Year. Big tower pagoda up there. Not going to go there, you've got to pay to enter. But you can just see how bustling it is, how much decorations there are. Anyway, we're going to go to the next place now, which is maybe the #1 shopping mall in all of Urumqi. They should have some New Year events and stuff and decorations there, so let's go check it out. Just cross the road, not too far.
Let's go.
Okay, so here we are in the mall, and we can see there's a little market here as well. You can buy some bracelets, necklaces and things like that for friends and family. And then look
New
at
Year
this
stuff.
Yeah, what is this?
I don't know, actually it is a picture. You can purchase it.
Oh, okay, so you would like stamp it and then they would put it on here.
You
That's
want
really cool.
experience?
It's okay.
Yes, this is okay.
Okay, great. For free?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can have some VIP things to do, like that.
Look there. Have I ruined it, or is this a masterpiece? Yo, that is nice.
Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, you did a good job.
Really good. Yeah. Wow, thank you so much. And here are all the kind of things that you would put on your door. So I guess you must see loads of these around, right? The homes in Urumqi.
All the families.
And this is really cool. So they've got the Spring Festival Gala on, which almost everyone in China will have watched. Did you watch any of this?
Yes.
Really cool. So they've got this so you can watch it in the shop. A really cool thing about being in Xinjiang is that you get lots of holidays. So if you get the Uyghur holidays as well, right?
Yeah.
And so you get, what, a couple of days off?
4 to 5 days.
Nice, like public holiday just in Xinjiang. So many people are very jealous. But also now it is the Chinese New Year. How long? Do we get about a couple of weeks?
A few weeks. Yeah.
Okay, there we go. So really awesome.
It's a horse.
Okay, it's meant to be like a
That
horse.
is the ass of a horse.
Thank you very much for that. Yeah.
You're lucky.
I'm going to give you luck. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's traditional Chinese New Year costume. I don't know what exactly this is, but I don't know. Adds to the vibe. Very festive. Pretty cool. There's lots of these like little signs. What are these for? Like these little notes.
Yes, you can write something in the note.
Okay.
To celebrate the New Year.
What does this one say?
This one say like, here you guys can all earn 500,000.
Oh wow, okay. I think I need to write that as well. I hope I can get... Now this is really cool. If you spend any money in this shopping mall, you can take one of these red packets and they'll have some money inside. So just had lunch together and they were like, yeah, okay, fine. You can just pick one randomly. Damn, which one should I go for? You've got one, yeah?
Yeah, I got one. 不多. It
不多?
means that not much. Maybe it's a trick.
Yeah, okay, I like that. Okay, he's gone for the trick. So maybe I should go for some nice one. Ooh, I'm going to pick this one. How much money do you reckon we can win? This could be me retiring from making videos, guys. I could be a millionaire now.
Yeah.
Let's see how much we get. There's some money. Oh,
1 yuan.
Oh, hang on. There's something else. What is this? This is like a voucher?
Yeah, for dessert.
10 RMB. Let's see if Muradil can get any money. Here we go.
10,000.
Whoa, he's gonna be rich. Okay, did you win anything?
Nothing.
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 Not to worry.
Yeah.
At least we've won something. And here we are now to watch a drone performance. Jeez. It looks like you could be in Shanghai, Beijing. You've got the electronic display of the horses. The ironic thing is, they actually don't have any drone shows in Shanghai or Beijing. So that's what makes this place so unique. You have so many performances and shows which you can't find in those cities of China.
Wow. That's the first time. Wow. Oh, advertisement.
This is really funny, right? They got loads of advertisements. This is the Lowland Barbecue. This is a restaurant here in Urumqi. I mean, it's free tickets to come to this place, so I guess they've got to get their money somewhere, right? Lots of sponsorships.
Oh, that is a horse, I think.
Yeah. As you can see, the horse, it is moving. Absolutely amazing. I think we'll end it there with a happy Chinese New Year, guys.
Yeah.
Hope you have an amazing.
Thanks for watching, guys.
And let's speak to some of the locals of Xinjiang to see what they have.
Happy New Year!
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 Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Welcome to Xinjiang!